Welcome back to Ranch Hacks. Today me and Cody were pulling out an old fence line. If you look up there, you can see from the shorter grass to the longer grass, I think anyway, that's the fence line. It used to go up and over the rocks. We got to pull it out, can't get any equipment in here. So this is what we come up with to get rid of these old posts. And we call it the post cannon. So you line it up there. Grab yourself a good handful of rocks. Don't be stingy. There's a lot of rocks out here. And you're going to fill that cannon. Just going to fill the barrel like that. You're going to shove them rocks all the way to the back because you're going to light it from this end for safety reasons. And when you light that, you're going to blow them rocks out of there and turn this post into kindling, and you'll never see it again. No, we're just kidding. We're just using leverage here. So it's just basically a big lever. We got wheels on it so that we can roll it down the fence line without having to carry anything too heavy. You get it up to your post. We got a big chunk of logging chain, and that logging chain's welded onto here, and a big old hook welded to the other side. And then we realized we got to use a clevis. This took us a minute to figure out, but by putting a clevis on here and putting your chain through like this, now when I go to pull a post, I can operate it all from the back end. Every time I want the chain farther down, it'll just slide because of that clevis. By wrapping the chain, we weren't getting the same thing happening. So let me show you right now. See how it slides down the post right to the bottom? And then you get her started and it'll slide down again. That's your next bite. You get another bite. And just in a few minutes, you've got a post that was in the rocks, hard to get out, pulled with ease, and you keep working your way down the line. And that's today's ranch hack. Thanks for watching.